If you're looking for the best whitening creams, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Olay Night Cream Natural White Fairness Night Moisturizer. This night cream from Olay is sure to give you visible results on your skin. It goes for all types of skin, and hence it is made for even sensitive skin. This product will not only help reduce your darkened areas, but also provide tons of other benefits. Hence, you are getting 7 benefits in just one cream. Primarily, it will help even out the dark skin areas. This cream works by gradually reducing the melanin from going up to the top layer of the skin. This would mean that your whole skin would have an even skin tone. Additionally, it also brightens up the skin, which will deliver you a visible difference in your appearance. It is a night cream, but you can also use this as a day cream as it has an SPF of 24. Not only this, but it also helps smoothen out the skin and moisturizes it. Hence, not only solving your uneven skin tone problem, but also keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Undoubtedly, this is one of the best whitening cream for face and body. Moving on to the next at number 2 with L'Oreal Paris Youth Code Dark Spot Corrector Facial Day Cream. This product from L'Oreal Paris is made specifically for people with sensitive acne-prone skin. Hence, if you usually find most of the creams inconvenient for your skin, you can trust this product entirely. This is mainly a face moisturizer that would help reduce the dark spots in your skin. Acne and an uneven skin tone might be a difficult problem to deal with, but this cream has got it all handled. With gradual use, it will help control your acne and even diminish the dark spots. Additionally, it will even cover up the acne marks and help diminish sunspots. In short, it will make sure that you have clear skin without a single blemish. It is a face moisturizer, which means that other than reducing all the blemishes, the cream will also keep your skin nourished and moisturized, giving it a radiant glow. The company ensures that if you keep using the cream for a week at least, you will start seeing the results. Also, it is non-greasy, hence helping you avoid the oily look that sometimes comes with using moisturizers. The number 3 position is held by Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream. Neutrogena presents before you a cream that is going to solve your uneven skin tone problem. It will also fight off other skin issues, thereby making sure that you have the perfect skin without a single extra mark. It has hexanol technology that will help reduce the darkened spots in your skin. It will also even out the skin tone. Additionally, this technology will ease out your wrinkles and fine lines, thereby giving a smooth look to your skin. Being an overnight cream, this cream ensures that your skin is well hydrated and nourished. With the help of vitamin C, this cream would nourish your skin, leaving you with glowing, radiant skin when you wake up. Primarily being an anti-aging cream, it would also make your skin firmer and give it a more youthful look. If you keep on using this cream regularly, you will find a visible result in a short period. Next at number 4, we have Makari Natural Carotonic Extreme. Makari presents a product specifically for acne-prone skin. Containing mostly organic ingredients, it helps to correct your dark spots and acne marks. This cream will also help reduce melasma and hyperpigmentation even. Additionally, for antioxidants, it has rich carrot oil and SPF 15. This would help the skin to get rid of the toxic buildups in the inner cell layers. It also works to repair sun damage to the skin. Additionally, it also helps to rejuvenate the skin. Any type of fine lines, wrinkles are gradually lightened, and the skin is made more firm. It also removes age spots and blemishes, giving a smoother texture to your skin. Made with all natural ingredients, this cream is free of any harsh chemicals like hydroquinone, which has a few side effects on the skin. It also helps to remove acne spots, which makes it multifunctional. Make sure to apply this regularly and get fascinating results. The number 5 position is held by Dark Spot Corrector by Olay. Olay is a renowned beauty company that makes sure that all its customers are satisfied with the product. Hence, it keeps on coming up with products that are sure to solve most of your problems. Technically, this becomes budget-friendly, as you have to spend on just one product for all your problems, other than buying one product for each ailment. The company ensures that if you use this cream regularly, you will find all the dark spots and the uneven skin area gradually diminishing within 8 weeks. As you can understand, this cream will be giving you fast results. Additionally, it will not only correct your dark spots, but will also act as a moisturizer, hence keeping your skin nourished and hydrated. Also, this product has an antioxidant-infused formula that goes deep into your skin and brightens the skin from within. Unlike other products, this cream doesn't work on the upper layer only. It makes sure that you don't face the same uneven skin tone problem again in the future. Therefore, this product will leave you with clear, glowing, bright skin, which people are bound to notice. The number 6 position is dominated by Garnier Skin Renew Clinical Dark Spot Corrector. This dark spot corrector from Garnier is sure to blow your mind with amazing results. The active ingredient in this cream is 5% of ascorbic acid. It is vitamin C but in a more concentrated form. In the maximum of the products, you will find vitamin C as a diluted state, or at least in a lower proportion that only helps nourish the skin. However, in this cream, as it is in such a concentrated form, it goes deep within the skin and tries to eradicate the dark spots from there. Hence, it does not solve your problem just from the top layer. If you use this product, you can be assured that your uneven skin tone problem will be solved permanently. It will also remove any type of other spots on your skin, like post-acne marks or discoloration. Another feature that makes this product such a prominent item in the list of the best whitening cream for face and body is its fast results. If you keep using the cream regularly, within 4 weeks, you will notice that the spots and the discoloration have faded. In 8 weeks, you will even find the size of the spots reduced to a great extent. Moving on to the next, number 7 with Aplb Glutathione Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Cream. The Aplb Glutathione Brightening Cream is my second favorite next to the La Bage's whitening product. I love that it contains centella glucolo, an ingredient that keeps my skin hydrated and prevents inflammation. The Aplb Glutathione Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Cream is packed in a gorgeous glass jar packaging. It's great that the brand uses glass packaging that is environmentally friendly and reusable. The amount of lightening cream that you get in the packaging is 60 ml. This is a great size considering the low price of the product. The number 8 position is held by Holika 1 Solution Super Energy Ampoule. The Holika 1 Solution Super Energy Whitening Ampoule is a product I've been eyeing for a while. After reading that it can help my uneven skin tone and minimize dark spots, I was almost sold. I saw Kaja Jonasic's comment on Facebook. "I love this serum, the best I've ever used." And I had to give in. The next thing I know, I'm obsessed with this essence-like product. This Korean skin whitening cream comes in a cute pink bottle with a dropper for easier use. I love products that come with droppers because it's much easier for me to dose how much I want to apply. The product itself is milky, creamy, light pink, and applies easily. Although it might look a little heavy when you first apply it, it absorbs right away without leaving any residue. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by My Amor Premium Intimate Skin Lightening Cream. If you're into Korean whitening skincare, you've probably already heard of the My Amor Intimate Skin Lightening Cream. Although the brand says it's suitable for the body and skin, I found it to be best for the sensitive areas on my body. This rich cream comes in a plastic jar packaging that doesn't look expensive. Although I wasn't impressed with the packaging, I love how rich the cream is. It applies beautifully without leaving a white cast. In the jar packaging, you'll receive 60 ml of this premium intimate skin lightening cream. That's a significant amount, and since you only need to use a little, it will last you for months. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.